Welcome to Mr. Jack's channel. Let's learn English with Joko Widodo, an English teacher at SMA 5 Yogyakarta.
Let's learn recount text. Do you know what a recount text is? Recount text is a text which retells events or experiences in the past. Its purpose is either to inform or to entertain the audience. Recounting is a style of writing that recalls an event or experience. They're usually based on the experience of the writer, and are therefore most often told from the first-person perspective. However, this isn't always the case. Sometimes they're told on behalf of someone else. A recount is also told in the past tense, because the event or experience has already happened. For example, if you were describing an experience to a friend, it would make sense to say it was the best day ever, rather than it's the best day ever. Recounts are usually told in chronological order. It means that the events are described in the order they happened. This helps the reader or listener to understand what's going on. To make this clearer, you can use adverbs like firstly, next, then and finally to signal the order of events to the reader. The generic structure of recount text. Orientation. Introducing the participants, place, and time. Events. Describing series of event that happened in the past. Reorientation, it is optional. Stating personal comment of the writer to the story. Orientation. Introducing the participants, place, and time. This part of the text provides the information about who, what, when, where, why and how the event or the story happens. Events. This is the body of the text describing series of event that happened in the past. Reorientation. Stating personal comment of the writer to end the story. This part is the conclusion or a repetition of the orientation. It is why this paragraph is called reorientation. The language feature of a recount text. Introducing personal participant, I, my group, etc. Using chronological connection, then, first, etc. Using linking verb, was, were, saw, heard, etc. Using action verb, look, go, change, etc. Using simple past tense. Types of recount text. Personal recount. These usually retell an event that the writer was personally involved in. Factual recount. Recording an incident, for examples, a science experiment, police report. Imaginative recount. Writing an imaginary role and giving details of events, for examples, a day in the life of a pirate, how I invented. Historical recount. This text is based on historical events. For examples, the Battle of Prince Diponegoro, Indonesian Independence Proclamation, etc. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, subscribe, press the like button and give your comment.